Hi, I'm Laura, and this is my third video that I'm making. Today I want to talk about a topic that's really something that I've been struggling with for a very long time, and it's about self-worth and self-esteem and how other people may pull you down and make you feel like you're nothing, how people just get to you. And all my life I've been bullied. I've been told that I can't be who I am. I've been put down, put in the background, and just recently I found my way out of it. I found my escape through music. And I love music. I love my favorite bands. The band that's on my shirt repping right now, Sleeping with Sirens, one of my favorite bands. Along with The Maine, Pierce the Veil, All Time Low, of Mice and Men, all these bands have been there for me. And I can only thank them so much for all that they've done for me. They've made me realize that this is what I want to do. I want to do for other people what they have done for me, and that's make music and help heal the world. So I'm making this video to let all of you guys out there know that if you're struggling with being who you are, no matter who you may be, there is someone out there that loves you, that wants you to live another day, that wants you to fight through all that you're going through. So never ever turn to harming yourself or suicide. That is not the way to get out of your problems. Hold on to something that you feel is your escape, something that's near and dear to your heart, like music, religion, anything at all. Just keep it close to you and know that you are not alone and that you are not meaningless, you are not a waste of space, you are not worthless. And for those of you out there who think it's okay to tear people down because of who they may be and that they're not afraid to be who they are, you just need to take a good look in the mirror and reevaluate your life and really dig deep and think about who you are. Who are you to be judging someone for who they may be or what they may like, because they may be different from you? That's no excuse to tear someone down and make them feel like they're nothing. So yeah, this video is for all of you out there who feel like you're outcast, like you're shunned by like mainstream society, who have been struggling with who you are for so long because people have put you down and told you that you're not worth it. You are worth it, and you are loved. There is someone out there that loves you. I love you. I may not know you, I might not know your struggle of what you've been through in life exactly, but I love you and I am willing to listen to you. I'm willing to share your anguish and your pain and your suffering and help you heal. Okay? It is not the end, and you will make it through. Believe me, you will. I love you.